Hello, my darlings. Welcome to my channel. So, today I'm doing a monthly read for my zodiac signs, and this one will be for my Taurus. So, we'll try and find out how the month of March 2021 will be all about. Darlings, if you are new to my channel, please do like, share, and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been a regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Vibra to Live family. Vibra to Live also goes live every Sunday at evening 4 p.m. IST. So if you wish to ask your queries, seek guidance, an interactive session, then yes, the link for my Facebook page has been mentioned in the description box. All you need to do is like, share, and follow. Okay. This is going to be a collective reading, so it may or it may not resonate with most of you. Whatever resonates, you take, and the rest you can actually leave behind. If you are a cross watcher, babies, you can enjoy the read. And if you're a cusp sign, then sweeties, I will be uploading soon for you also. So this is just for zodiacs, and for my zodiac cusp signs, I will be uploading a series for the month of March as well. So yeah, you can enjoy that in the meantime. Now we'll try and find out how this entire month of March would be. What good news can we seek? If there are any blockages, what guidance can we have? Everything about love that we want to look about, and yeah, so on and so forth. So let's see how this entire month would be for my lovely Taurus. So angels and spirit guides, please can you help us getting some messages as to how the month of March 2021 will be for my Taurians. Let's see. Darlings, if this reading resonates with you by any means, I would love to hear it from you in the comment sections. And if there is anything else that you are seeking for, any interesting topics, I would love to hear it as well. So yeah, let's see. Anything else, angels and spirit guides, you would want to give any messages coming for my Taurus? No? Okay, that seems interesting. You have only 2 cards, but yeah, that should be something. Okay. Now this is interesting. Okay, so my Taurians, well, let's seek some angelic guidance. Maybe that is also required, definitely. So angels and spirit guides, please can you help us getting some messages for my Taurians. Let's see what's in store for you. Okay, there we have. Oh, okay. Too many messages. Let's see. What more message can we have for my Taurians? Oh, there we have it. Just flew out. Okay, so we have 3 cards, and I will take that. And yes, I will take this card as well because we are looking forward for it. Okay, so I shall place these cards over here. And okay, let's begin with your read. So, first and foremost thing, sweethearts, the month of March, avoid taking any rash decisions, okay? The thunderbolt moment definitely is trying to tell you that there is going to be a shake-up that you could experience. If you have experienced one, nothing like it, okay? But if you haven't, then there could come one, okay? Remember, it's a passing phase, so allow, accept, and release. The minute you allow, everything happens for a good cause. Universe is bringing you the shake-up for something good to come up your way. Okay, avoid taking any rash decisions, avoid being sarcastic towards yourself, towards people. Don't take any if you are making any investments or signing any documents, please read the documents carefully. Okay, also avoid a lot of anger. I think there could be an anger outburst that could come up, so that is something you need to be careful. Okay, and on the work front, I think, darlings, there is someone who's trying to be a little sneaky. Okay, so whoever that person is, you need to be a little careful. This person seems to be very greedy, very jealous, very envious about you. Okay, this person seems to be a little like a sweet talker, or is not showing the true colors, so you need to be a little careful. Maybe that is the reason there could be some thunderbolt moment that you could experience also, maybe on on work front. Okay. Now how do you get to know? Because there are so many people you kind of interact and all. Your inner gut feeling will guide you. Okay, so if you feel that there is this person with whom you are not getting any good vibes, you need to be careful. I won't say cut that person, but you can maintain distance. Okay, so try doing that. If at any given point you think on personal front, avoid faking your identity. Okay, learn to face the reality, because I think for a few you could be carrying some mask. Okay, trying to tell the world, okay, I'm good, everything is fine. No, if you're not fine, you're not fine. If you're good, you're really good. Yeah, I'm happy. But if I'm not happy, then yes, this is something, it's not going good with me. Okay, that is something. Please take care of your digestive systems. Maybe a lot of emotional anger, emotional guilt, emotional blame game is something that could be piling in your stomach. So that's the reason. These are emotions you need to release. Okay, talk it to someone, write down on a paper without reading it, burn that paper, see that paper burning. That will help you in releasing your emotions also. Okay, my feminine energies, you need to be receptive, because you will have lot many good things coming up. Having lots of water, both my male energy and my feminine energy will definitely help you. Okay, be receptive, because universe is blessing you with lot many good things, and something good is definitely coming up your way. So understand, if you are going through any thunderbolt moment, universe is bringing you something good your way. So allow that thing to happen. Okay, don't restrict yourself. Now, because we have two strong cards that are trying to tell us something, I will just, because I'm getting that energy of taking one more card. Okay, so that's the reason I'm going to pull another card. Let's see what else the universe is trying to tell, especially for my Taurus. So angels and spirit guides is, okay, there is something. Okay, I will take this card because it just kind of stopped. It's saying, okay, there seems to be some stress you could be calling for, unwanted stress. Don't do that. Okay, learn to be happy, learn to be a little cheerful. I think for a few we kind of get irritated. It's like, somebody is just trying to snap your energy, and then you kind of get triggered. Okay, so you need to release that, be a little playful. Again, if you see, it's a very interesting thing that the universe is trying to say, that again there is a joker mask, and again there's a joker mask. Okay, so avoid carrying that mask. Avoid faking your identity. Okay, and allow things to happen. Universe, whatever universe is trying to tell or trying to show you, it is for your betterment. Understand, you will be aware about all the good things, which is a very good sign. But again, I think there is the anger that is fuming within you. You need to release that. Maybe that's the reason you need to have lots of water, is what it's trying to say. Oh my gosh, comparison. So sweeties, avoid comparing yourself with somebody else. Remember, your journey is different, somebody else's journey is different. Stop being stubborn, stop being rigid, avoid control issues. Maybe that's exactly what it's trying to say. So there could be many conflicting things that's coming up. You could be focused too much about in the future, not seeing the present. So I think you need to bring in the balance in your life, which is very, very important. Again, you seem to be suppressed a lot for unnecessary reasons. So sweeties, shrug that suppression feeling. I think on work front, again, there seems to be something coming up on work front. You could be over suppressing yourself. It's just a thought, you know how to deal with it. And past life, so there seems to be some karmic cycle you could be going through. That's the reason the thunderbolt moment, or some sneaky energy seems to be coming in the picture. But remember, it's a passing phase. Okay, this is your life cycle. What you give is what you receive. So try doing something good in this entire month. Unintentionally, as I always say, do all the good things, be kind to yourself. I think you're being very harsh towards yourself. Okay, so start Forgiving yourself, very, very important. And if you can do a little bit of donation, like feeding the needy or helping someone, being grateful, being thankful, all these things are very much required. So remember, whatever is happening, it's a karmic lesson you're dealing with. Allow, accept, and release. If you've lost a loved one, like any ancestors or any dear person, then that person is trying to say that they love you, they are blessing you. You need not worry about them. Now, this is for a few that I caught the energy. That's the reason I'm saying it may not resonate with for most of you. Okay, so we know as to how the entire month is going. Now, let's see what the angels are trying to say. The angels are trying to say that first of all, you need to be happy. I don't know why you're sad, my love. Again, water effect. Again, how better can it get than this? Water effect. So have lots of water. You have been depriving yourself with water. You have not been happy. Yeah, why? What is stopping you? Please don't do that. Please watch some comedy movies. Please watch some comic series. Catch up with friends. Start laughing. Laughter is the best medicine. Trust me. You can actually smile, right? Even now you can bring in a smile on your face, a little bit of smile, that will also help you. So bring that joy. Maybe that is required. Again, water equals emotion, so your emotions will play an important role. So please, darlings, don't ignore. Okay, you have seemed to have lost confidence by any chance. If you have, please bring that confidence. Okay, some insecurities, some lack of confidence when it comes on work front, especially on money front for a few. If it is, please release it to the angels. Okay, start dressing up. Yeah, maybe that will bring in confidence level back. Spending time with nature definitely helps in bringing a lot of good things around you. So yeah, that confidence level seems, I think you're very much worried on money front. Don't. Okay, everything will fall into places. For a few, Cupid seems to be coming in the picture. So Cupid also says a new relationship, but definitely I always say you need to love yourself. So Cupid also stands for loving yourself. Expect new proposals if you're single. If you are already committed, bring in love in the relationship. If you're married, enjoy. Okay, and if you are a little confused, you don't know what to do, then I think you need to love yourself also. Probably you're ignoring yourself. Okay, that's one thing. Go for it and time to go. Both mean the same thing. Apparently, they're actually trying to say that stop judging yourself. Okay, just go for it. For that, you need to release all that baggage you're carrying. Okay, for a few, I think you are holding on to some baggages. You know what baggages you're holding on to: emotional, physical, spiritual, whatever it is. Please release those baggages. Okay, the minute you release, you will go for it. You will have success. So if you are planning for some venture, darlings, just go for it. If you think you need to take control of your life, because I think your life is going a little haywire by any means, please take control of it. Okay, spending time with nature, because again, if you see in most of your reads, a lot of nature seems to be calling. So please go and step in the nature. Okay, so if you ask me how the year is, you will have a mixed bag of emotions running in the year. But yes, success seems to be coming in, be it on work front, be it on emotional front. You are only blocking your energies for all the good things to come in. Let's put it in like a one-liner. Okay, so the message seems to be clear. Now that we know as to how the entire month is, we are seeking on messages for love as well, right? Because we need to know what's happening on the love front. So let's try and find out. So angels and spirit guides, please can you help us getting some. Okay, I'll have this. Okay, let's see what more messages can we have for my darling sweethearts as to how the month of March 2021 will be for my Taurians. Let's see. Okay, so I have already opened up a card and that says passion. So definitely Cupid seems to be coming up for a lot many, and you are not allowing, I think you are restricting yourself, but allow. Maybe there is someone who wants to love you, who wants to ignite that passion in you. Okay, again, angels are supporting, so there'll be a lot of chemistry, I feel. that this person, whoever is coming your way, how better can it get than this? There seems to be chemistry coming up your way, so something good is coming up. You need to forgive a lot many people. I think you have anger towards yourself, and lot many people, if you think there is someone in your past who has hurted you, start forgiving and learn the lesson you have learned, you have been through in that experience. You don't wish to repeat that pattern. You deserve love, you want something good, but if you have learned your mistake, and when you forgive, you will definitely enjoy a passionate and amazing relationship coming up. And yes, you need to get to know each other. So if there is someone that who is approaching towards you, um, start knowing that person. Okay, don't be rigid, because we kind of just are because we've been through some bad experiences, we kind of avoid ourselves in allowing of getting someone in our life, or probably we feel that that person could just take us for granted, or we don't wish to get into that pattern of being again go through that pain. Okay, right, we just don't want that. But universe is saying that, darling, allow. Okay, it's safe to love. There is someone that universe is sending you. Okay, but for that you need to go through that shake up moment, the thunderbolt moment, or maybe that's a part of your learning lesson, a karmic cycle. Okay, so we know as to how this entire month of March will be for you. Let's try and find out from the moon cycle as well, because I personally believe that we all have our mood swings. We have all our moon energies playing: sun, moon, rising, Venus, Jupiter. I don't know how many natal charts we have, the placements. So let's try and find out what the energies of the moon are trying to tell us, okay, for this entire month of March. So angels and spirit guides, please can you help us getting some messages as to how this month of March 2021 will be for my darling sweethearts. Let's see, what are they trying to tell you? Okay, let's have this card, because it's being, we have two cards, so I will take these cards. No, we just have one, and it says a personal issue reaches resolution. Okay, the full moon in Cancer, we are definitely experiencing a full moon in the coming days. So whatever, I think on personal level there seems to be some problem if you could have been through, you will definitely come to a solution. And again, Cancer, water sign, you could be having some water effect, have lots of water. I feel you need to have that. And emotions seem to be playing a very important role for most of you. So allow that thing to happen. Don't stop yourself. Okay, and whatever is happening for the betterment, for good, let's put it that way. So don't stop yourself. Okay, and I think for a few you are just not receptive, or you are scared, because I'm getting that vibe that you are a little scared for everything. I don't know why, but that fear factor seems to be coming in. So please don't do that. Okay, angels and universe are having your back, so they will definitely help you. And anything else that I can think of, stop sulking, because we do tend to, right? So stop sulking, avoid being clingy. Okay, enjoy time with your family, with your loved ones. Probably that is something it's also saying. Maybe it some domestic matter or any private issue will soon come to a head. And if you are planning to move out of your house for a few, then yes, you can do that. Okay, so it's always best to move towards what you want, but in a sideways manner. Okay, don't push yourself and stop worrying. Okay, this is something that it's trying to say. And if there is anything on family matters that is coming up, then you don't have to worry. It's just trying to tell you that If you think it is a little on a challenging effect, then yes, it will come to an end, but a good one, I believe, for a few. Okay. So yeah, now that we know as to what the moon cycles are trying to tell us, there is a new oracle deck that I'm introducing for my lovely sweethearts. It's the self-care by Jill Pyle, and I just loved it. So I thought maybe that is something that is required for you as well. Okay, so this is something new. Let's see what they're trying to tell us specially. So angels and spirit guides. Oh, there we have. You need to rest, darlings. When was the last time you must have actually rested? Rested as in mental peace. Physically, you've been resting, but I think there is a mental your brain has been rushing too much, okay, and you have been ignoring that. So it's like, for a few, your mind has been running. It's like even when you're sleeping, your mind is actually thinking or going through many thoughts. So it's trying to say that, darlings, you need to rest, you need to calm your nervous system. Okay, so have some herbal tea, stretching exercise, disconnect, please. If you can disconnect from technology, that can help you. Meditation, a relaxing bath, that will help you. I think you've been deprived of your sleep. Okay, so start checking on your sleeping patterns. Maybe that will also help you. You need to love yourself very much. Start waking up early and trying to sleep early. I think that sunrise sunset pattern, that will help you. And always remember, you need to de-stress yourself before sleeping. Very important, because what happens is, when we are having many emotions and we carry it on the bed, all those emotions get into the pillow, under our cover sheets and all, and the bed is actually meant for comfort zone. Okay, and we don't want that pain to, we already are having a lot of pain in the entire day, and the bed is something, a very comforting place. Okay, so you need to de-stress, release, and get into the comfort zone on the bed and have a very peaceful sleep. Okay, so that's a vibe I'm catching for my lovely sweethearts. Okay, so yeah, let's find out from the universe if there is any message that they want to tell us. Okay, because now we have everything that has come up. So angels and spirit guides, please can you help us getting some messages for my darling sweethearts? What? Okay, there we have, and it says, how better can it get than this? It says, time to relax, definitely rest. Okay, so babies, my sweethearts, my darlings, please take rest. Okay, it's highly needed, very much required. Stop forcing yourself, stop running. Okay, everything will start falling into places. If you think there is some shake-up that you're going through, allow that thing to happen. It is a part of your life journey. Okay, so that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take it as it resonates. The rest you can actually leave behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading, and I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you by any means, my love, please do comment in the comment section. I would highly appreciate it. In the description box, there are links of my Instagram and Facebook page as well. Please like, share and follow it. Vibra to Live goes live every Sunday at evening 4 p.m. IST. So if you have any queries, my love, you can definitely come up on my Facebook page and we can get connected over there as well. So I shall see you soon. This is for my zodiac signs and for my zodiac cusp readings. My love, I will surely soon be uploading a series for you, so keep watching the space. And if you've been a cross watcher, I hope you've enjoyed the read. So till then, stay happy, stay blessed, have a wonderful month, my love.